Good morning, everybody. Hope you had a fantastic weekend. I know I did. I was outside enjoying the weather, and then I ended up with sunburn, and it hurts. Not so cool. So hopefully if you were outside, you were a little wiser than I was and put on sunscreen before it was too late. As for this week, we're going to start with circumference of a circle. The circumference of a circle is equal to pi. Now think back, what does pi mean? Pi was a number, 3.14, and it goes on and on forever. I know, I looked it up. Some guy remembered 67,000 some odd numbers of pi, which is, I can't remember a phone number half the time. So, circumference of a circle is equal to pi times its diameter. Remember, the diameter is the entire thing all the way across. Or pi times twice the radius. So remember, we had to find the radius of a circle. We were given 3.15 and we had to find out what the diameter was. We had to multiply times 2 to get the diameter. The formulas we're going to use are C is for circumference equals pi times d. We use this formula when we're already given the diameter all the way across. So that would be C equals 3.14 in this instance times 15. If you're looking at the other formula, you have C equals pi times 2r. Remember when we're trying to find the diameter and we're given the radius, we had to take the radius times 2 to multiply it to get both sides. So it would be 3.5 times 2 would give you 7. So we'll go over these couple examples, and I have a couple that we'll go over. We have example 1. What are we given right away? If you're looking at this, you're given the diameter of this circle, which is 15 inches. So we know we can use the first formula, pi times d, or diameter. So C equals pi times diameter. So 3.14 for pi times the diameter is 15, which will give you C is 47.1 inches. Number 2, we're looking and we see right away that this circle only gives you the radius. So we need to find the diameter of this. So we take our formula of C equals pi times 2r. So 3.14 for pi times 2, and in parentheses we have 3/5, our 3/5 here. So that will give us C equals 21.98. Now if you're looking at the homework that I'm going to release in a little while, it asks you to round to the nearest tenth. So we look, 21.98, 8 above 5, we round it up, right? So we're going to round this up, so it become C equals 22, and miles would be your label. All right, we'll go over this example here. If you want to, you can pause the video, try to do this on your own before I go through it. So we're going to look, what formula do we need? We see that we're given the radius. So here we go. We're going to use that formula because we have 2r. So we're going to take 3.14 times 2. In parentheses, we're going to take the radius that we're already given, which is 5. So we have 3.14 times 2 times 5, which will give us 31.4. So C equals 31.4 inches. Okay, fairly easy. These are fairly easy. Now we look, what formula are we going to use for this next example? We're given a diameter of 12m. Okay, look up at the formulas. We're going to use C equals pi times d. So C equals pi times d. All right, now we're going to fill in our numbers. What is pi? Think, okay, 3.14. 3.14 times, what is the diameter of this circle we have here? Is 12. So 3.14 times 12. Do this longhand. I know calculators, I can't say no because you're at home. I'm not going to come in everyone's house and knock on your door. So 3.14 times 12 will give you 37.68. 37.68. So now we're going to have to round up to the nearest tenth. So we look, 37.68, and we're going to round, we have an 8 here. We're going to round that up or down. We're going to go up to 37.7 meters. So 37.7 meters. All right, these couple examples, you can go back and watch the video. Remember, subscribe so I can become famous eventually, someday. Use these formulas to figure out the problems I'm going to release to you, and you guys will have no issues with this. And I hope this helps, and have a good rest of your day.